guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Britt Shannae, and y'all, as y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what this video is about. I'm moving. I am moving. Honestly, at this point it's in like 3 weeks, and at first I was like, oh girl, you have time. It's like you have a month until you gotta move. You know, you got time to pack and go as the weeks go by. But then I was like, girl, no, you got 3 weeks literally to be out of here. So you need to start. So yeah, I honestly have already kind of started my bedroom, but that's what I want to tackle and keep tackling, because I feel like it's a lot of stuff in my bedroom. The other areas of my apartment, another big area is my kitchen, but luckily this weekend my parents are coming to help me pack my kitchen up. But I'm going to, especially my clothes, y'all, I'm going to start kind of going through my clothes, seeing what I want, seeing what I don't want, and then packing those clothes up. I'm debating if I want to put my clothes, so I took all of the clothes out of my closet, and I will show you those. They're on the side. I put those in trash bags, in which I need to honestly get bigger trash bags. I have smaller ones, and then I'm debating if I want to put the clothes from my dressers into packing boxes, or if I want to put those in bags as well. I'm trying to debate that right now because that's what I want to go through. But let me show y'all how my room looks, because it's looking crazy. So these are the clothes from my closet, y'all. These are mainly like winter jackets, summer dresses, but mainly coats and jackets. This is what I'm keeping right now. Y'all bear with my mess, please. Y'all know I'm not a messy person. The hangers from the closet, in which I want to get the same color hangers from my next apartment, and I want them to be, I don't know the color I want them to be yet, so I don't know if I'm going to use these. I probably will, because who's wasting them, but we'll see. I'm going to pack these. These are my comforters. These are also some like bath mats and stuff. Over there is just some other stuff that I've been going through for my bedroom. That is a bag of Goodwill stuff from my closet. The stuff on my bed, these are just like towels, and then under here it's like some throws and stuff. And then I have this pile of clothes right here that I'm going to go through. It's clothes from some of the bottom drawer over there. I still have to go through those two drawers and those drawers over there. As y'all can see, this is not going to get done all today, but luckily it's Thursday, so you know, Friday and Saturday I'm going to get a lot done. Let me show y'all my closet. So definitely more bare than it was before, because you know I had clothes all the way in this closet, like all the way around. So of course those are gone. I cleaned off the top of my shelves. Right now it's just a few random things up there, and then I have not yet you know, took out my shoes yet. That's not priority to me right now. And then my floor, my hamper, one of my suitcases, some of my elephants and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, so my room, it just looks so crazy to me. But let me start going through this stuff, because it's like 7:10 and I want to kind of get some of this stuff done before I eat dinner, because I have to cook. So let's get through it. And actually guys, before we get into the actual packing, I just wanted to let you guys know that, because I talked about the move in the past, but like as a possibility, I never confirmed it with you guys. This is more of a recent thing. So yes, I'm moving in June. I'm so excited. My boyfriend and I are moving in together. And as you guys know, I've lived here by myself for the past year, which I loved completely. I loved living on my own, to be honest. It's like amazing. But me and my boyfriend are definitely ready to take that next step in our relationship. We've been together for 10 years, y'all. So yes, I feel like it's that time for us, especially with the goals we have in the future, in the near future. So yeah, that is why we're moving in together. We're getting a 2-bedroom apartment in a different apartment complex, and I am just so excited, y'all. I'm so excited, and the 2-bedroom is so nice, y'all. When I show y'all this apartment, y'all are literally gonna be like, oh my goodness, this is amazing, this is beautiful, because it's so freaking beautiful to me. And it's so spacious. Like, it's almost double my apartment right now in square footage. Like, almost, not really, but almost. So I'm so excited, y'all. And yes, so I am moving on June 1st. That's my move-in date. So today is I think May 12th or something. So y'all, right, time is of the essence. And I'm gonna move in first, and my boyfriend's gonna move in after, like he's gonna move in the second month. Because of when his lease ends. But yeah, y'all, so excited. I just wanted to give you guys some background information and let you guys know like how this came about, and then you know like what's going on. So yeah, let me start, y'all, because I can chat all day, but I don't like to really talk too much in these videos sometimes. So let's get the packing. Y'all, please look at, okay, y'all, look, I cleared out, this is the last drawer I had to clear out, and I cleared it out, but please look at all this stuff I had in this one drawer. How did all this stuff fit? This is crazy. Bathing suits, bathing suits, bathing suits, bathing suits, clothes, cover-ups, stockings, socks, underwear. How did I have all this stuff in that one drawer? This is really absurd. It is. So now I have to go through it and, you know, go through what I want to keep, what I want to throw away or give away. So let's get started.
When you feel like it's over and nothing else matters, I know you feel so divided. Pick yourself up again and you better start walk, girl. Open up, just let me hear you talk, girl. You have come too far to give it up now, even though it seems there's no way out. Take a look in the mirror now, what do you see? You can be anything you want to be, you know. You will never be alone. Girl, go make your move. There's nothing left to prove. I know that you will find your love again. Don't be ashamed to cry. Hold your head up high. I know that love will.
So y'all, as y'all can see, I packed up these 2 boxes of clothes. These are the clothes that I'm keeping from this dresser right here. These are the clothes I'm not keeping from this dresser. And this pile that I have to go through to decipher what is trash, because some of this stuff is like legit trash, and what is going to be either donated or sent to, my mom had mentioned me checking out a, what is that thing called? Consignment shop. A consignment shop. So yeah, I'm going to, regardless, those are either being given away or being trashed. I need to do that. I'm going to go through that tonight because I don't want clothes just sitting on my floor. But y'all, this is exhausting. Just going through those 3 drawers, it was a lot of clothes in there. I don't know who I thought I was having all those clothes in them drawers, but yeah, so I'm about to go through these clothes on the floor. Then I'm calling it a night. Like literally, I'm so sleepy. and my eyes are literally about to close. But I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll be done. Here I am again, y'all. Not going through those clothes yet. Sitting here for like 5 minutes already because I'm looking for something on YouTube to watch. I'm literally procrastinating. I need to stop. And as I lay here, I'm getting sleepier. But I'm going through those clothes tonight. Okay guys, so it is Saturday morning. We are going through the kitchen. As y'all see, some of these cabinets are empty. We worked on packing up these cabinets down here. So these cabinets have been emptied. We put the stuff I'm keeping in boxes. So I got this one is like some pots and pans, a crock pot, another crock pot, a blender, some pots, and so this is the stuff right here that I'm either tossing or giving away. And yeah, so guys, yes, my parents are here, my sister and my nephew were here, they ran out, and my brother's coming, but it's just a whole big group activity of packing. I'm about to go through the spices. So I'm about to go through this cabinet right here and my glasses on the other cabinet to show, like, not to show. I'm about to go through the glass cabinet too to pack those up. My plates, my glasses, all that stuff. And then I think this cabinet right here is just, yeah. This is my Ziploc bags, and I also have my canisters of flour, sugar, and rice up here. And yeah, y'all, so I'm just gonna set y'all down and then I'm going to keep putting stuff in boxes. But actually, let me show y'all. I also put my clothes and stuff, the boxes I pack my clothes in, into my closet just to have them out the way. As y'all see, it's not as bad as it was yesterday. I have to go through that stuff over there, but I have time to do that. I'm glad I got this stuff put away, so yeah. Y'all, back at Lowe's. I need probably like these. Like, what's this? Hefty ultras. Huh? Huh?
How many come in there?
25 in this one. Oh, what's this one down here?
These are tall kitchen.
Oh, let me
These are 100.
What's the size of these? These are 13 gallon. These are, y'all, I'm looking at stuff to put on my balcony. I'm just looking at the prices. So what's that? That says the chair is 48, or is it? Oh no, the woven chair is 68. Oh, what woven chair are they talking about right there then? Oh, I see that one's a taller one, 88. Y'all, the fluff is not priced that bad. I mean, like that chair up there is like 68 per chair. The table is like 100. They got some cute little sets out. Y'all, I got this from Lowe's. These are these are 30-gallon multi-purpose bags. So I'm gonna start putting some stuff in the bags that I'm giving away and throwing out. And yeah, so we got a little helper, y'all. It's the smell on his face for me. Thank you, honey.
We're gonna put it.
Oh, take it to grandma.
Oh.
Y'all, this is the damage we did today. So we have the almost everything in the kitchen packed up. As y'all see, it's actually way more boxes in the kitchen than I thought actually. We said I think 2.
I said 4
on the thing.
We said 4.
Did we say 4? I thought we said 2.
4 for the bedroom, 4 for the kitchen.
I promise I didn't say 4. I don't think I said.
We said 4. We said 4 for the bedroom, 4 for the
I could have
kitchen,
swore
2 for the living room.
Okay, maybe that's what we said.
Even though we got more because I didn't count for plants.
Oh, the plants. Yeah, that's okay
I didn't
though.
count for and the blankets.
And the blankets.
But even so, it's still big.
It is. It really is actually. Thank you. We have the plants in a box. This is some other stuff from my living room. This is all of the glassware wrapped up. My tray wrapped up, and then just some like miscellaneous stuff over here. I did not, you know, clear this stuff yet. I had time to put that stuff away. And yeah, so yeah, y'all, we made a really good dent and stuff. You know, the drawers are empty. Just gotta clean them out. So this is the only cabinet that's still full. I have, you know, all my food and stuff in here, but I'm gonna pack that up last minute. But these, I'm just gonna basically clean these cabinets out with, you know, like, I have to pack this one as well. But I'm gonna clean these cabinets out before I move out.
I didn't either. They called me and they were like,
And then I'll get those last bit of glassware.
really? So I guess they either there connected.
The bottom ones are cleaned. Yes, y'all. And then this is just stuff I'm keeping out until I move so I can use it. And y'all, don't judge me. I feel like I look so rough right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. My family's in the background if y'all hear them. But yes, y'all, I'm so excited now for moving, and this just makes it so much more real. But I'm about to go home to my parents for the next few days. We're going to the movies tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of this moving and this packing series. So I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.